respected. And in Kalangut, people chose the independents more than the panels. Whether it was my panel or Joseph's panel, whoever makes the panchayat is immaterial, but people chose independents. Independents got more power in Kalangut. 5 number is a big number. So anyway, I congratulate them and I wish them all the best. And let us together work for Kalangut. Whether it is Sarpanch or members or people who have lost.
So Kalangut panel will be yours?
No, then see, he got only 3 numbers. So we cannot claim. Or we do not want to approach anybody also for that matter. Let whoever is making the panchayat, whether it is Joseph or whoever it is, they are free to do it. Our people will support them.
So overall, how do you see
Our
the
people,
performance?
like the 3 people who are elected on our panel, will support them unconditionally.
खंय कमी पडली तिनूच जिखपाक म्हणजे आउट ऑफ लेवल
कित्याक न्हू लोकांचे जे वर्डिक्ट ते डायरेक्ट इंडिपेंडंटाक गेले. मायकेलाच्याय पॅनलाक नाका, तेच्याय पॅनलाक नाका, पण इंडिपेंडंटाक गेले. पण फायनली कोण तरी पंचायत करतलोच.
So how-
हॅव दी अप्रोच यू टू
ना आमी कोणाकूच एप्रोच करूंक ना.
तुमकां अप्रोच केले तेंच्यांनी
आमी कोणाक एप्रोच करूंक ना आनी करूंकूय सोदिना. सी आमचे गेल्या फावटी आमकां कोंगटच्या लोकांनी 8 दिल्ले सीट. सो आमी पंचायत 8 मेंबर घेवन केले. सो आतां कांदोली आमचे कडेन आयज लोकांनी परतून विश्वास धरलो दिले. सो दे वील परफॉर्म. Same Arpora Nagua, we got 6 numbers. They will perform. Marra also we got same numbers. They will perform. Even Kalangut will perform. It's not that they will not perform. Our support will be there because it is finally.